Namaste. I'm Amelie from Seychelles, and I feel like I'm only now starting my truest and most authentic yoga journey. Before coming to the school, I did practice yoga, though it was very basic. It was just asanas. I never realized there was so much more. It was so much deeper than this. And thanks to Vinyasa Yogashala, I have embarked on the most beautiful and spiritual journey. And I feel like they were the ones who took my hand and slowly and patiently and lovingly led me on this journey. All the teachers were so knowledgeable, so kind. The conversations in class and outside of the class were so magical, so beautiful. And so many of these lessons I'm going to keep with me for my whole life. I want to start implementing so many other things in my life, in my thoughts, in my actions. And none of this would be possible without Vinyasa Yogashala. And one more thing I want to say is when I was looking for a yoga school, there were so many online and I didn't know where to start. I didn't know what to choose. And if you are like me, well, you were like me, I definitely recommend coming to this school. Namaste.